से बेंगलोर जा रहे हैं।
कितने टाइम बाद जा रहे हैं?
4 महीने ऑलमोस्ट।
4 महीने हो गया। फैमिली वहीं पे?
फैमिली मार्च 15 को गई थी, उसके बाद लॉकडाउन हो गया तो मैं जा नहीं पाया।
अच्छा, बात होती है?
बात होती है मोबाइल पे, बट वही कितना।
ओके, बच्चा है छोटा?
छोटा बच्चा है 3 साल का। पहले 1 महीने वो बात करता था, अभी तो नहीं कर रहा है।
अच्छा, अब बात ही नहीं कर रहा है?
अब बात ही नहीं कर, नाराज़ हो गया वो।
नाराज़ हो गया? मतलब नाराज़ हो गया, पहचान नहीं रहा?
पहचान रहा है बट नाराज़ हो गया। उसको कितना बार टीवी पे देखेगा, वो मोबाइल पे देखेगा। ही वांट्स मी देयर, सो आई एम गोइंग नाउ, वेरी हैप्पी।
आप फंसे थे, बच्चा आपका नाराज़ हो गया।
यस।
अब आप कैसे मनाएंगे जाके उसको?
सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग तो मेंटेन करूँगा ही, थोड़ा क्वारंटाइन करूँगा, होम क्वारंटाइन, बट एटलीस्ट आई विल बी सीइंग हिम डेली। मैं देखता हूँ उसको। ऐसे प्लान नहीं किया पहले मेरे को पहुँचने की जल्दी है, एक बार पहुँच जाऊँगा तो उसके बाद सोचूंगा क्या करना है। बट क्वारंटाइन सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग सब मेंटेन करना ही पड़ता है ना, वो तो करेंगे।
गिफ्ट्स वगैरह ले जा रहे हो उसके लिए?
अभी बिल्कुल नहीं ले जा रहा हूँ, बिकॉज अभी बाहर से सामान वामान खरीदना भी उतना सेफ नहीं है।
So many people are leaving to their hometown after the operations of the civil aviation flights, and today is also an important festival for Muslims here in the country and across the world. So I'm having Kader with his family right now, who is actually living to his hometown and at this point of time during the Ramzan. Hi Kader, first of all, happy Ramzan. So where are you going right now with your family? And
I'm going to my hometown Tenkasi. For that I got a flight from Chennai to Madurai, and from Madurai we got e-pass to reach my hometown.
okay, how difficult is this for you? Because the last 2 months.
Yeah, it is very difficult. Even it is difficult to get cab or taxi to reach airport, because they are not allowing cab and taxi inside Chennai. Other than Chennai they are allowing, but inside Chennai it is difficult to get taxi and reach here, and it is difficult to wear mask all the time, because it is difficult to wear mask for my kid. There are some difficulties, but we are managing, and we are in the hope to reach home.
So how happy are you? Because you are going to reach your family during Ramzan day. So how happy are you?
I'm very happy actually. Yeah, if they open train or bus service, it would be easier than this one, because after reaching Madurai we have to take it will take another 3 or 4 hours to reach my home, and we have to shift from air service to bus or car. But if we have train, we can easily have the travel.
Okay, thank you. And how much did you spend for the ticket? Was it expensive?
Yeah, for 2 adults and 1 kid, they are charging around 10,000.
Did you book the ticket?
Just before 4 days, when they confirmed that flights are going to resume from 25th, on this spot we have to book the first flight from Chennai to Udaipur.
So what are they saying now? Any reasons given from them?
No, they are saying now, just now they said they got information that flight have been cancelled. We didn't get any message, nothing yet. When we have reached, they said the flight have been cancelled. No information message, nothing we got.
Since how many days you stuck here?
2.5 months.
And which is your native, and is your family with you?
My husband is staying in Rajasthan. He's alone there. No one is there. From past 2.5 months, he's alone only at home. No one is there. So I have to go. It's very urgent, but nothing is possible. They are saying.
How difficult is this 2 months journey for you? And even you were expecting that you will reach your house, and now it's been
That's
cancelled.
why it have been cancelled. How he is managing? Even you can understand. He's a boy. Staying home is also not possible, and they are not giving any proper information also that what is going to happen or when it will resume or nothing. Don't know when
So
now.
you know the flight is been cancelled only after reaching airport.
Yeah, just now they said me that have been cancelled. We didn't get any information, nothing.
Okay, your name?
Moksha.
Thank you. Because no taxi services, everything is cancelled. So how did you reach airport?
My family came to drop me. My family is there only, you know. My husband is staying there, but my father's family is there only. So they came to drop me.
Any word about the reimbursement? As they say?
Nothing.
After the lockdown, while everyone are living to their homes happily, one case study here in Chennai, Moksha Jain, could not go back to her husband because of the cancellation of the flight which was supposed to leave to Jaipur. So she's going back to her home in Chennai since the flight was cancelled with a very sorrow face.
Came on his own here. Could you just tell us how?
He just traveled on because actually he went to his grandparents' home. He stuck over there in the lockdown. Then he came back today. So the first flight booked because it's almost a 3 month over there for him.